Hi guys, my name is Cash, and in today's video we're introducing a new project to the channel. So next to me here, as you can see, is not a car, it's not the Miata or the Passat, and instead it's a dual sport motorcycle. So I've been wanting a dual sport for a long time. I used to ride dirt bikes growing up and I had a lot of fun with them. And since we're having the coronavirus pandemic right now, and I'm going to be home for a long time, I wanted to pick up a project. So I picked up this bike. It's a 1999 Suzuki DR350SE. So it's a 350cc air-cooled 4-stroke engine with an electric start on it. As of right now, I don't know what works and what doesn't in terms of the electric start. I'm going to go through the bike with you and show you some of the issues that I found so far. Some of the first things that you're going to see me working on with this bike. And then, yeah, we're just going to go from there. So leave your thoughts down below. Let me know if you do want to see more stuff on bikes like this. If you don't want to see it, obviously you don't have to watch it. There is still going to be plenty of content with the Miata and the Passat and my friends' cars when I could get to them and film them. So that's not going anywhere, but this is just an additional thing that I wanted to share with you and take you along for the journey on. So guys, this is the bike. I'm just going to take you for a quick walk around here to show you everything that's wrong with it and basically the condition of it and what we're going to do with it. So as you can see, right now it is really dirty. And basically the very first thing that I'm going to do with this bike is wash it. This will give us a much better idea of what's broken on it, and it's going to make the whole bike look a lot better. Because underneath all that dirt, I think this bike is actually in pretty good condition, and it's going to look great once it's clean. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. I'll show you me cleaning it at the end of the video, and then you can see what it looks like when it's all set at the very end. So stick around for that. Currently, this bike does not run. The previous owner said that it sat, and he parked it in October and went to start it up this year, and it just wouldn't start. So I'm guessing that this bike has some carb problems and it's probably really gummed up. So we're going to be doing a thorough carb clean on it, and also the petcock here leaks if you turn it onto the off position. So that's something else that we're going to definitely need to be rebuilding. We're probably going to do new fuel lines, but I'll see if I could get away with not doing that until I at least know that it runs. Once again, we need to clean everything. The front and rear wheel bearings feel pretty good, and the tires are in pretty good shape. Back here, we are missing a turn signal, which you could see. It was probably dropped and that was just sheared off, so I'm going to be ordering new ones of those to get on here. Other things, these handguards are pretty bent up, and right now they're just out of shape and not really placed super well. So I'm going to be just adjusting those. That's going to be a really quick project, but I'm really happy that it has those nice handguards. The turn signals currently do not function properly. I don't know if that is because we're missing that turn signal in the rear, but basically you can't really get them to turn on. I got them to flash a couple of times, but there might be something wrong with the wiring. So we're going to be going over that. And that's the basic plan for this bike. Like I said, right now it does not run, most likely a carb problem. Also, this gas tank has a lot of crap in the bottom of it, so the fuel is old and there's a lot of gross stuff in it. I don't know if you could see down there, but I'm going to make sure that you could see down here. So right now you could see down there. There's a lot of sediment and a lot of crap in this gas, so I'm going to be emptying out that tank, putting fresh gas in it, and then hopefully I could get this bike running and be able to ride it around and have a good time with it. Now that you have a general idea of what the thing looks like and what's wrong with it, let's go make it clean and make it look good. Alright guys, so the bike is now fairly clean. I just did a really quick wash with the pressure washer and hit it with just a small bit of soap because I wanted to get all the dirt that was left on the bike off of it to make it clean enough to work on. So that's where we're at now. Once I'm farther along with this thing, I'll give it a proper detail and go through and clean everything up and make it look really good. But for now, I think it looks a lot better. One thing that I was a little bit worried about is there was a lot of oil sort of caked in the dirt that was stuck under the skid plate up front, and I don't know if that was a leak in the oil tank itself or a line, or if maybe someone just spilled it when they were filling this with oil. But I'm going to investigate that more now, and then that'll be in the next episode if I find anything for that. So I have some parts in the mail for this thing. I have a carb rebuild kit coming in. I have an oil filter and oil coming in, and I also have some LED turn signals for this. So that's going to wrap up this video. Like this video if you liked it. Like I said, let me know what you think of this build, and let me know what you want to see me do on the Miata and the Passat, and also my brother's 944. And yeah, just subscribe. I hope to see you at the next one.